Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add sample data to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify account, then go to the search bar in the admin panel and search for simple sample data. You'll find the app with a book icon. Click on it, then click Install. Important note, the app requires a $1 fee, so make sure to approve the payment by clicking Approve. Now, once the installation starts, you can choose the type of data you want to add to your store. You can choose to add random products, customers, orders, and inventory data. Simply choose what you need, then click Add Sample Data. Next, you can customize the data that will be added, such as selecting the number of products, customers, or orders. After adjusting the settings to your preference, click Generate Sample Data to generate the data. Wait a few moments for the process to complete. Once finished, the sample data will be added to your store, and you can view it in the products, customers, and orders sections of your admin panel. Now you can use this data to test your store, try out different operations like payment and shipping, and make sure everything works properly before officially launching your store. And that's it. You've now learned how to add sample data to your Shopify store using the simple Sample Data app to fully test your store before launch.